Hey everyone, let's make a card. I'm going to be using the Irresistible Blooms, and at the time I'm making this, just so that you know, this bundle is back in stock. Then I'm going to take a scrap piece of cardstock I have, and I'm cutting it into 1-inch strips. You can keep these in a particular order or mix them up. I mixed them up because I just didn't want to think that much. And then I'm going to take these little strips and I'm going to put them back together onto our white panel that we just stamped our beautiful sentiment on. I love this stamp set, and the dies weren't available, so I don't have them yet, and they're back in stock, so I'm going to go get them, but you can get them as a bundled savings right now. Link in my bio for all of that. Now I'm going to take a card base that's just white cardstock, fold that in half, give it a nice crisp edge. And then the next thing we're going to do is just add a piece of black cardstock on top of this. You can choose to dry emboss this or not. I chose not to. Like I said, this was a quick card to help me use up scraps. Then I'm just going to layer this on top with some dimensionals, and my friends, we are done. Can't get any easier than that. Like and follow for more.